Let's talk about the 3 crystal allies for August, each one supporting a different part of our align, release, and anchor framework. To help us release, we have Apache Tears. Apache Tears are one of the most deeply compassionate stones in the crystal world for emotional healing and release. They carry the energy of gentleness, grief processing, and letting go without feeling overwhelmed. These stones have a long and meaningful history as companions for loss and grief, and they bring a softness to the release process that makes even the hardest endings feel more bearable. Hold them during emotional moments when you feel the weight of what you're letting go. Keep them nearby for comfort and quiet support. Use them when you feel the need to release but aren't sure how. Apache Tears remind you that letting go is an act of love, not weakness.